I'm here to talk to you today about orchard barns, tisane for dry and chesty coughs. It's a wonderful mixture of quite a few plants, most of which I can show you today. The remedy includes thyme, mullein, licorice, aniseed, marshmallow, plantain and hyssop. So this is mullein. Mullein is very rich in what we call mucilage, which is what provides us with the action that we want in this particular remedy for the dry chesty cough. Mullein is known as a pectoral demulcent, which is a great action in the chest to soothe irritated and inflamed mucosal surfaces. The taste is actually a little salty. We think of it energetically as cool and damp, and that's why it's invaluable in this tisane, just to relax that cough reflex and soothe the irritated mucous membranes. Plantain is actually very similar in that it also contains the soothing principles that we just talked about, with the same cooling, moistening effect. And as a lymphatic, it does stimulate the circulation of lymph, which combined with its demulcent qualities is terrific at getting the remnants of an infection moving and out of the body. This is marshmallow. We've actually used the root in our remedy for the dry cough, but you can see this plant has very thick leaves. They're it's kind of downy and soft, like the other two plants. It's terrifically cooling and moistening, but this actually is has some sweetness, and particularly from the roots, and that's why we've used the roots in this tea. So this is thyme, as you can see, still very beautiful, covered in flowers. Even though it's October, I can hear the bees enjoying its scent. Obviously very familiar from cooking, but the taste in our dry and chesty cough tisane it is what we call pungent. It's another herb that is heating and drying, which is obviously very useful in this situation. It shifts congestion through what we call its expectorant action, and what that means is it increases the bronchial mucus secretions by promoting the liquefaction of that sticky mucus so that it is more easily expelled from the body. It also has terrific antiseptic and antimicrobial properties, which helps the body defeat the infection quicker. So thyme is great for soothing coughs. Hyssop, which I don't actually have in my garden, is very similar. It's also a pungent herb, lovely scent, and it is particularly noted for its antiviral properties, which is obviously helpful in a cough. And it has expectorant action, and it also has a little analgesic effect, so that's why we've included it in the dry and chesty cough tisane. I can't show you aniseed because I don't have it in my garden, but it's included in this tisane principally for its fabulous flavour. It works very well with the other mucilaginous plants that don't bring much flavour to the mixture. But it is also so specific for dry coughs, being an expectorant, much like thyme here. I also don't have licorice in my garden. It's one of my favourite herbs, actually. It has so many properties that are just perfect for dry chesty coughs. It's very soothing. It works very nicely on the irritated mucous membranes because it is anti-inflammatory. It has lots of antiviral properties. And the way you make a tisane is by putting a quantity of the dried herb into a container like a teapot or a cafetiere, or even a saucer on the top of a mug, pour boiling water over it, leave it to steep for 10 minutes, and then enjoy that aroma and taste as instructed on the packet. So I hope that describes the dry and chesty cough tisane that we've prepared. One of several winter remedies actually, all available in the Orchard Barn Clinic shop. So do drop in and see what else we've got there for you, and perhaps see you then.